Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to create a package in a Python. Suppose in C drive, I'll create one folder. The folder name is My App. In this folder, I'll create one package. The package name is pack. In this package, I'll create one module. The module name is arithmetic.py. In this module, I'm going to create two functions. One is addition function and one more subtraction function. These functions I'm going to access in another module. The module name is test.py. Here it is a folder. It is a package. It is a module. These are functions. One Python program is called as one module. One folder is called as one package. Here, functions of arithmetic.py I am going to access in test.py. I'll import this package and module. I'll access these functions in a test.py. How to access these functions, how to access in this module, I'm going to explain. See, according to this folder structure, first open the command prompt. Here type cd slash, it comes to a root. Here md my app folder created. MD means make directory. Directory nothing but folder. CD my app. CD nothing but change directory. It is entered into my app folder. Here package equivalent to folder. So MD pack, CD pack. Here itself you can start notepad. Start notepad arithmetic.py. Say cannot find the arithmetic.py file. Do you want to create a new file? Click on S button. Here you can define functions. Define add function which takes two variables. Print a plus b. One more function, define subtraction. Print a minus b. File, save. Now cd two dots, it will come back one directory. Now here you observe my app is a normal folder. In that pack is a package name. In that arithmetic.py is a module. In that two functions I created. Those two functions I'm going to access in another module. Here start notepad test.py. See, cannot find the test.py file. Do you want to create a new file? Click on S button. Now, if you want to access addition and subtraction functions, addition and subtraction functions are in arithmetic.module py module. Arithmetic.py module under package. So you need to import like this. Import pack.arithmetic. Now pack.arithmetic.add function. Two variables, two values you have to pass. Next function, pack.arithmetic dot subtraction 10, 5. Now see, pack is a package name, arithmetic is a module name, add is a function name, sub is a function name. Now addition and subtraction functions of arithmetic module we are accessing in this module through package. File, save. Now you can execute test.py. See, 10 plus 5 15, 10 minus 5 5. Now not only here, you can access in another location also. Another location, if you want to access, we need system module, that is SYS module required. How to access SYS module I am going to show here. Say these functions I want to access in D drive. Just type D colon enter. Now you can write the program here. Start notepad test.py. See, cannot find the test.py file. Do you want to create a new file? Click on S button. Now here, first of all, you need to set the path. For that only, import sys. It is a system module. Sys.path.append. Here c:/my app. Now this path is appended to existed path. If you write like this, now you can access my app folder of C drive here. See, import package dot module arithmetic. Here pack dot arithmetic dot add. Suppose 20, 10. Pack dot arithmetic dot subtraction 20, 10. Now system module imported, for that path appended, so we can access my app here. Here pack dot arithmetic module under pack package. This is under my app. That is the reason I appended path here. Addition, subtraction functions I am accessing here. File, save, close. Now you can execute test.py. See, 20 plus 10 30, 20 minus 10 10. Now not only here, any other place also, any other location also you can access. You can set permanent path also. How to set permanent path? Just open File Explorer. Here right click on this PC icon, properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, under advanced tab. Now here click on new button, variable name Python path, and variable value C:/my app. This is permanent path. Now you can access anywhere that module. See, now I'll open the test.py. Now I'll remove this one. Now we can access. You observe, I removed that system module also. File, save. Here test.py. Reason that path is not affected to current window, so we have to close the current window. Now we have to open command prompt again. Now d:, here now we can run test.py. See, it is executed. I'll open the test.py. You observe, see here I removed system path module, but permanent path I given in the environment variables. Like this we can create packages, we can create modules under packages.